recently one of my videos stuck at 4 views, okay, and I was bothered that this particular video that stuck on 4 views, is that how my channel is going to be getting the views that it requires? Then I got a comment from one of my creators saying, telling me that he can design a YouTube thumbnail for me so that I can start getting the views that my channel need to get for me to get monetized faster. Okay, so along the period I was thinking whether to change. I was thinking the type of thumbnail that I'm going to use, because I know that the one that I use already is very very bad. Okay, so I use, first of all, use this particular thumbnail. Okay, then later changes to this. Then when I notice that the views is not coming, I change this to this last one that is on it now, that is making it to get that views. Okay, now if your video is stuck or on a particular number or 48 views, 50 views and the rest of them, okay, now you have to do this thing that I'm telling you now. Go back to your YouTube Studio app and change your thumbnail or your title. Do you understand? So when you upload a particular video and you realize that your views is stuck, that you are not getting enough views, so go back and change your thumbnail. Thumbnail might be the problem. Do you understand? When you change your thumbnail or your title, okay, you are giving the YouTube to second chance to test your video again. Okay, now when you change your thumbnail or your title, YouTube will push your content on the home page or the browse page. Okay, and if a little number of people click on it, it will go ahead and push it again. Do you understand? Now, here, this is the real reasons your video stuck at 50 or 60 views. Okay. Now, if you change your thumbnail, YouTube will push it to a wider audience. There are two things that YouTube is checking in your videos. Okay. So YouTube is not after whether you have thousands of subscribers or billions of views in your channel. There are two things that it is looking at in a particular video that a creator uploads. Okay, now number one is, do people click? Okay, if people click, that is number one. Number two is, did they stay long to watch? Now this my particular video, let's go over to that place so that you will check these two things and know why this particular video stuck on this number on our YouTube Studio app. Okay, so guys, this is the particular video that I'm talking about. Okay, let me show you. This particular video here is the video that I'm talking about. Okay, so let me show you something. You want to check why this video, okay, it's have reached 70 views, 71 views. Okay, so now we want to know why this video is still on 71 views after I change the thumbnail. Okay, so now we are on the analytics. Okay, click on the content. Okay, so let's check on videos. Now we'll click on this video here, click on it. So here is the details about this particular video. Okay, so this is the details. So it got 71 views. Okay, then watch hours is 1.2 watch hours. Okay, then plus 2 subscribers. Do you understand? So this is audience retention. Okay, so this is what we have to look into now. After changing your thumbnail, this is the next place you need to focus now. Okay, now I changed the first thumbnail, it doesn't get the views. Second one, still yet the same thing is still happening. I shall show you at the beginning. There, when I use this particular thumbnail that is here, the video starts getting the views. Do you understand? Now the audience retention is 75%, and this is how many minutes people watch. So let me show you let me point at the audience retention. This is the audience retention, people, that is the audience retention. Okay, then here is the how many minutes people stay in this video. Okay, this is it here, that is 1.4. that is how many minutes that people stay in this particular video, and this video is 14 minutes video. This is it here, the video is 14 minutes video. So now that means if people watch at 1 minute 4 seconds, they will just click off. Okay, and the audience retention is 7.5% of people are watching this video, which is very very poor as a small channel. Okay, so this is what is holding this video right now. Okay, the audience retention is very very low, like it is very very low now. Okay, so that is what is still holding this video, because YouTube, you remember that when you change your thumbnail, you are giving your video the second chance. You are giving the YouTube the second chance to test that particular video. Okay, now YouTube have pushed this particular video to another audience, okay, for the second time, and they are watching it around 1 minute 4 seconds. Do you understand? And the percentage of people that is watching it is 7.5%, which is very very poor as a small creator. So now what you are going to do is to go over to those places that is making people not to engage more and cut it off now. So now let's check that place that is holding this video back. Okay, so here now, for you to know where how many, that is the particular place that people stay longer, you'll be using this line here. I don't know whether you can see this red line that is moving now to check. Okay, so at the initial time 97% of people stay, then as time goes on it is dropping from 97% to, let's shift this more, to 79% retention, then to 41 retention, to 26 retention. Are you seeing it now? To 20, 14, 10, 8, and you can you see it now? You will see it as I'm shifting this. So 5 retention, 4 retention. Can you see it now? So that is how to check it. You see it's this, that is 4% of people engage in this particular part. Okay, can you see it? Now what you are going to do is, when I go over to my YouTube Studio app, that is desktop version, I will just cut off this place that is a fast drop. Okay, this place that is a fast drop, I will just cut it off. Okay, and leave this part that people are engaging. Okay, so that is it. Now if people click and leave after 30 to 40 seconds of that video, okay, YouTube will slow down in pushing that particular video. Then slowing that does not mean that that particular video will not be getting views. They will be YouTube will be pushing it small, 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 but not to the extent of when the video has a good audience retention. Okay. Now, if that video doesn't get enough audience retention, YouTube will reduce in pushing that video. Okay, it will be pushing it slowly, but it will still be getting enough views. Okay, it's left for you alone as a creator to go over to your YouTube Studio app and do the needful. Okay, so that YouTube will push it more to a wider audience. Do you understand? That is why your views stuck, or your views stop at a particular number, that is like 50, 60, 100. Let's break it down. Okay, if your video is 10 minutes long and people are watching that 45 minutes, it is very very poor as a small channel. That means people are only watching about 7% of your video, and that is too poor for a small channel. Do you understand? Then you remember, when YouTube sees this, that people are not watching longer in that particular video, it will reduce in pushing that particular not video. Because you are a small channel, but because of that video is not holding a viewer's attention. Okay, now how to fix them? Okay, now it's not only long reads that makes people to click out from a particular video. Okay, now long intro can also make people to get tired of that particular video and click off. Okay, because in some of my videos in this channel, I don't usually greet people. Do you understand? But people are still dropping at the first 30 seconds of that particular video. Why? Because the intro is very very long. So I would advise you that first 30 seconds of that your video, go straight to the point. For example, this particular video The title of this particular video is how to get more, that is why your video stuck under 50 views. Okay, now instead of you to be giving some long explanation and the rest of them before you go straight to this, to the point, okay, use that period to ask a particular question, then go straight to the point immediately. Do you understand? By doing this, you are also optimizing that video. Do you understand? And also carrying your audience along. They will engage when you open your intro this way than when you give long protocol, that is when you give a long intro before going straight to the point. Do you understand? Another thing again you need to do is to cut fluff parts. Okay, any part that you know that you stay long in your post or that is not needed, cut it off. Okay, make your editing to be tight. Okay, by doing this, your audience will like to engage. You can also use some footage in your video, or you can still be showing whatever you are saying in your channel in that particular video. Okay, like when you give example of a particular thing, you can still show your audience so that it will help to engage. It will help to maintain that retention in your video. Now the third thing is create a shorter videos. Okay, you can create like 6 minutes or 8 minutes, 10 minutes video as a small creator. Do you understand? By doing this, people will engage in your video. Do you understand? But when your video is too long, like 20 minutes, when you know that you are still growing, people are not going to engage. And when people didn't engage, YouTube will see it as a bad video and reduce in recommending that particular. Now, the power statement. This is the bitter truth that small creators don't want to hear. So small creators usually think that YouTube stop pushing their content, but here is the truth. YouTube will just test your video to the audience, then through their retention and click, it will decide whether to push it again. Okay, so like I said before, that if people click on it, it will keep on pushing it. Then if they click and didn't stay long to watch, it will reduce. I don't know whether you understand. YouTube will keep on pushing that particular video, because when you go to your analytics, that is after 48 hours, you will still be seeing some of your old videos that it is getting views. Do you understand? So that is the reason. That means that YouTube is still pushing that content. Okay, but it's not push. YouTube is not pushing it much because people didn't engage in that particular video. I don't know whether you understand. But if if the retention is very very high, okay, it will keep on pushing that particular content, that particular video harder. I don't know whether you understand, but if the retention is very very low, YouTube will be pushing that particular video, but it will be low. If you improve in your click-through rate, that is, if you change your thumbnail and your title, if you make use of good thumbnail and good title, YouTube will keep on pushing that video. And if you go over to your retention, if people are engaging very well, if your retention is very very high, it will push it with full force to the wider audience. I don't know whether you understand. So that is it. Nothing more. Small channels, the algorithm didn't hate you. YouTube didn't hate you, but it only wants you to carry out these two strategies that I mentioned now, which is improving in your click-through rate and your audience retention. Okay, once you do these two things that I mentioned, now you start seeing improvement in your video. Like me now, I only change my click-through rates, that is, people start clicking in that particular video now because of what I changed the title, I changed the thumbnail of that particular video. Okay, now what is making it to stock at this particular number now is because of the retention, as I showed you before in this video. Okay, thanks so much for watching, and please, if you watch this video up to this point, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you want to grow genuinely as a beginner, please subscribe to this channel. Okay,